Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cook ground beef inside of your slow cooker. If you're wondering, why would you ever want to do that? Now, cooking 1 pound of ground beef in a pan is not a big deal. It's 7 to 9 to 10 minutes, max. However, if you were making a big batch of food, like 5 pounds or so, it is a really great way to cook all that meat at once. Now, in this large pan, I have about 1 pound of ground beef. Most large pans accommodate for maybe 2 pounds. And so if you're cooking for a crowd, you're gonna have to cook a lot of batches, which is why the slow cooker works so well. Now, another thing about cooking ground beef on a pan versus a slow cooker is that you have to nurse it and be here. With a slow cooker, you can just set it, forget it, come back whenever you remember. That's what works for me. Okay, so all you have to do is add 1 pound or 3 or 5 of ground beef inside of your slow cooker. And with a large slotted spoon, you're gonna break up your meat into smaller pieces. I'm gonna add seasoning. You can add whatever seasoning your recipe calls for at this step. Now, a really important step is to add water. You're gonna add about 1/4 cup of water per pound of meat. Now, you don't want to skip the water part, especially if you have really lean meat, because otherwise your beef is totally going to dry out. All you want to do is cover it and cook your beef on high for 2 to 3 hours or on low 4 to 6. So once your beef is cooked through in the slow cooker, you are going to simply remove it. So with my slotted spoon, you just put it into the bowl. Now, I used really lean beef in this recipe, so if you're using 80% or 80-20, you're gonna have more grease at the bottom. As you can see, cooking beef in the slow cooker is super easy to do. A couple of quick tips is that if you're cooking 3 or more pounds, come back, visit, check on it, stir it around so your beef gets broken up and it cooks evenly everywhere. You wanna make sure that the beef is cooked to a safe temperature. Now, you can use this method with ground turkey and ground chicken, but make sure that since it's a leaner meat, you don't skimp on the water. And just like that, check out these videos.